It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday the 17th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather dry through Friday with a nice warming trend. The weekend looking pretty good, although there could be a shower over maybe far north Alabama Saturday and Sunday. But let's dive in there and talk about it. This is water vapor satellite view this afternoon. The trough over the east is moving on. Most of Alabama with bright sunshine this afternoon. Still some clouds over the Tennessee Valley, mainly north of the Tennessee River. And even there, those clouds will be lifting out soon. As expected, temperatures today a little below those of yesterday, but not by much. Tuscaloosa 57, Birmingham 54. We go back in the 60s tomorrow. And by Friday, we'll be well up in the 60s. Some spots may be touching 70 by Friday afternoon. Very cold air around the Great Lakes, but even there, that's not going to reach us. We should stay relatively mild through the upcoming weekend. Up on the watch warning map, we got some red flag warnings for parts of West Texas and Oklahoma, the panhandles there because of a high wildfire danger. Some wind advisories for parts of the western states. But the east is relatively quiet. Here's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning. This is suggesting rain amounts of maybe 1/2 inch over North Alabama. Not so sure we see that much. We could see a few showers over far north Alabama Saturday and Sunday, but the latest data looking pretty dry until Monday and Tuesday of next week, as you'll see. So here we go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Look at the ridging developing west of the state. Down below that, the sky will be sunny. And we go back in the 60s. The GFS is showing a high of 63. Friday, mostly sunny and mild. Mid to upper 60s likely. Again, some spots may be touching 70. Now, as the weekend begins, a weak front will be stalling out somewhere near Interstate 40 up in Tennessee. And the latest guidance here coming in very dry. And I think we can almost take out that slight chance of a shower. Saturday will be partly sunny. And again, we'll be up there close to 70. Should be a nice day. And then Sunday, the front begins to sag south. Maybe a little better chance of showers Sunday afternoon, mainly north of Birmingham. And again, we'll be well up in the 60s. The GFS is printing a high of 68 for Birmingham on Sunday. Now, Monday, a wave of low pressure begins to form on the front west of the state. And that should be a day with rain coverage increasing. In fact, Monday looks like a relatively wet day. And then Tuesday, a surface low goes right on top of us, and it's the same thing. That looks wet and cooler with a high back in the 50s. So Monday and Tuesday of next week looking wet, and this is Wednesday. Very strong trough digging down through here. A deep surface low, 988 millibars, north of Augusta, Georgia. And if this is right, we could see some lingering rain on Wednesday. And this is even suggesting snow for parts of Tennessee and maybe extreme North Alabama. We don't buy that. I don't think that happens, but no doubt we'll need to mention a good chance of rain Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday could work out to be dry. We have seen a lot of inconsistency in here. We'll just wait for better clarification. This is the end of the forecast period, Saturday the 27th. Troughing in the east, that looks cool and dry with seasonal conditions, if that's right. We note on the latest run here of the European, the Arctic Oscillation tries to go negative a little bit toward the end of the month, and the same thing for the NAO. We'll keep an eye on trends. That's the first time we've seen that, but for now, temperatures still look pretty routine for the next 15 days. We do cool down by Wednesday and Thursday of next week. But then we warm back up with highs back in the 60s as the month of March begins. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.